Yeah, that's hi, Mr. Downs. I mean, the team kind of look like they lost the discipline after the first goal. I mean, what do you think contributed to that?
Well, to be fair, we were pushing for the second goal, and we didn't have enough bodies on the edge of the box, so it's a little bit of organisational problem there. But we were pushing to try and get the equaliser.
Yeah, and the team also have been struggling to score in the last couple of games. Are you going to make any changes to ensure that, because you defend well but you don't score enough goals?
Hopefully, we've had injuries, and Cleon again has gone off today. Alan Otti has been out for the last 10 days since the last game. So we have been light up front, and the kids have had to come in, and it takes time for the youngsters to bed in.
Yeah, and that's a positive from the game, having played so many youngsters come through the academy system. Gary Mills coming back as well.
Well, the thing, it's great to blood the youngsters, but we have a gap because of our age at the academy. Our youngsters are 15, 16. If I look at some of the other clubs, they've come through and they're sort of 19, 20, the younger ones. So they've 2 or 3 years more experience, whereas our young ones, they really are young, and we're really bedding them in. So they're lacking a little bit behind on the other youngsters in other teams.
All the best, going into the second round, and hope to see you guys in the semi-final.